Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we learned how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 30 degrees and a 15 degrees angle. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 135 degrees angle. Let's start. We have a question here. It says that using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a 135 degrees angle at O. So we have the line AB here, and this is point O, which falls on the line AB. We are going to construct a 135 degrees angle at point O. 135 degrees is equal to 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. In the previous videos, we have learned how to construct both a 90 degrees angle and a 45 degrees angle. So to get a 135 degrees angle, we will first construct a 90 degrees angle, then we will bisect the other 90 degrees angle to get 45 degrees. When we add the 45 degrees to the 90 degrees, we are going to get the 135 degrees we are looking for. To help us understand this very clearly, let's consider the sketch. Let's say that this is the line and this is point O which falls on the line. With point O as the center, we open the compass to a reasonable radius and draw a semicircle on the line. Let's call this point point A and this point point B. We know that the angle formed by the semicircle is 180 degrees. When we bisect the 180 degrees, we are going to get a 90 degrees angle. So when we bisect the semicircle here, this angle will give us 90 degrees. Let's call this point here point C. We can say that angle COB is 90 degrees. Now, because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, if angle COB is 90 degrees, then angle COA is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which is also 90 degrees. So the angle between point C and point A is also 90 degrees. When we bisect the angle between point C and point A, which is 90 degrees, we are going to have a 45 degrees angle. So when we bisect angle COA, the angle formed here will be 45 degrees. Let's call this point point D. If the angle formed here is 45 degrees, then we can say that angle DOB is equal to 45 degrees plus 90 degrees, which will give us the 135 degrees angle we are looking for. So this is how to construct a 135 degrees angle. We first construct the 90 degrees angle, then we will bisect the other 90 degrees angle to get a 45 degrees. 45 degrees plus 90 degrees will give us 135 degrees. Now that we know how to go about it, let's do the actual construction. We have the line AB here, and this is point O that falls on the line. So we will pick our compass and put the needle of the compass on point O, since we are constructing the angle at O. So you put the needle of the compass on point O, you adjust the compass to a reasonable radius, then you will turn it and construct a semicircle on the line AB. So we have our semicircle here, and we know that the angle formed by the semicircle is 180 degrees. We want a 90 degrees angle, so we will bisect the 180 degrees. To do that, we move the needle of the compass from point O and put it on this point. Then you open the compass a little bit, then you turn it and construct an arc. After that, with the same radius, so you don't open the compass and you don't close it, with the same radius you used to draw the first arc, you take the needle of the compass to this point, then you turn the compass and construct another arc to intersect the first one that you drew. I'm going to clean some parts of the arc so that it becomes very clear. So we have this point, which is the point of intersection of the two arcs, and point O. We will join these 2 points to get the 90 degrees angle we are looking for. So pick your ruler and your pencil and join these 2 points. So using the ruler and the pencil, we join these 2 points. Now we have the 90 degrees angle. But we know that 135 degrees is equal to 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So we will have to bisect the other 90 degrees. To do that, you pick the needle of the compass and you put it on this point. Then you adjust the compass a little bit, you turn it and construct an arc here. After that, with the same radius, you move the needle of the compass from this point to this point. Then you turn it and construct another arc to intersect the first one that you constructed, just as I've done here. We are now done with the compass, so I'm going to take it off. I'm going to clean the extra portion of the arc so that we can see the point of intersection clearly. Okay, we have this point here, which is the point of intersection of the two arcs, and point O. We will draw a straight line to join them. So you pick your ruler and your pencil and you draw a straight line to join these 2 points. So you draw a straight line to join them. You join the point of intersection of the two arcs to the point O, just as I have done here. Now you can see that the angle between this point and this point is 90 degrees, and the angle between this point and this point is 45 degrees. 45 degrees plus 90 degrees will give us 135 degrees. So if we call this point here point C, then we can say that angle COB is equal to 135 degrees. So the angle formed along this line is 135 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to learn how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a 150 degrees angle. Bye bye.